So my research involves the measurement of epigenetic processes and to try and understand whether they're important in health and disease. We're also interested whether we can use the molecular signatures that we measure in the epigenome to try and predict disease a bit better. Some of the really exciting research that we're doing at the moment involves looking at the genetics of epigenetics. That sounds a bit complicated, but our variation in our epigenetic patterns is caused by lots of different things, the environment, but also our genes. So we've just completed a study which looks at how genetic variation or differences in our DNA sequence can influence differences in our epigenetic patterns. And we've done this on a huge scale, a scale that no one's ever attempted before, and we've got some really exciting data to report on that. We also look at a number of different diseases and disorders. So for example, we do a lot of work around prenatal exposures and how they may change the epigenome of offspring and how those effects track across the life course. We do quite a lot of work in the area of cancer, a range of different scenarios, trying to understand whether epigenetics can help us predict whether someone's going to get cancer, or if they already have cancer, whether they're going to survive for a long time or be less fortunate and not survive for such a long time. We also do quite a lot of work around psychiatric disorders and mental health. So can we use epigenetics to predict mental health outcomes, for example? So much of our work is around statistical methods, using bioinformatic tools to try and explore the data that we have on large numbers of people. We also use publicly available data, and a lot of our work involves collaboration with other groups, so developing an analysis plan, working with other colleagues, often in other countries, to use their data to help us address the questions that we want to address.